Okay, so I got my new coffee pot. I already ran it through a clean cycle. It's a 12 cupper thermal carafe Cuisinart, programmable, so I can set it up at night so I don't have to make coffee at 5 in the morning. So that's good. It's the afternoon, so I'm not going to go with a full 3 or 4 cups, but only 2 cups. Got my water in there. Bonus, got my beans in here. Check it. All right. Got to set it to 4. Strength control. We're going light because it's the afternoon. And boom. Guess I ground my beans. Is it gonna magically make coffee? Come on, magic coffee machine. Oh, it's coming. It's happening. Oh, it's happening. Yeah. I hope this is some tasty shit. All right. Back with a report on quality. Some good beans, so I'm hoping.